Most people clock into a servo at 17 because they need 40 bucks for the weekend. Almost none of them clock out, 11 years later, owning 3 of them. This is the story of how a $2 coffee machine changed a man's balance sheet. My name doesn't matter. What he did with $6.20 an hour does. Daniel is 17, in a high-vis vest 2 sizes too big, counting a till in a servo outside Dubbo. He's not the hero type. He's just tired, and the till is always 20 cents short, and his manager blames him for it every time. One slow Tuesday, the owner, an aging bloke named Reg, who's run the place since the 80s, shows Daniel the real numbers. Fuel margins are razor thin. The money isn't in the pumps. It's in the coffee machine nobody wants to clean. Reg says something Daniel never forgets. Everyone's staring at the Bowser. Nobody's watching the till. Daniel is 20. He's saved $12,000 from 3 years of shifts, and instead of a car, he buys into a struggling coffee cart franchise at a servo 2 towns over. Everyone thinks he's mad. He runs the numbers Reg taught him margin, not turnover. 18-hour days, a ute with a cracked windscreen, a relationship that doesn't survive the hours. This is the part nobody puts in the highlight reel, the years where the balance sheet barely moves and the doubt is loudest. By 2019, that one coffee cart is profitable enough that Reg, now looking to retire, offers Daniel first right to buy the original servo. Daniel doesn't have the cash. He has something better: 3 years of clean books and a bank manager who's watched every deposit. Daniel, now 31, owns 3 regional service stations. He still does the coffee machine himself most mornings, not because he has to, but because Reg once told him the machine is where you learn if a business is actually working. He's not on any rich list. Most of Dubbo has no idea what he's worth. Daniel didn't get rich, he got patient. Somewhere near you, there's a Reg someone who already knows which number actually matters. The question isn't whether you'll hear it, it's whether you'll still be standing there when they say it. I'm the Ledger. This has been Down Under Dollars.